good morning, welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Katie. So today is a Saturday. I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along with me for a little weekend in my life. It should be a pretty fun day. I have a lot going on, lots of things to do. So right now it's only about 9 a.m. Just made some coffee and now I'm about to make my own breakfast, and then I'm also gonna make the dog some breakfast, which actually leads me into the sponsor of today's video, which is the Farmer's Dog. So the Farmer's Dog is actually the dog food that both of my dogs eat. I have a German Shepherd named Kai and he's about 3 years old, and then I have my puppy Harper who is about 11 months old now, and I really want them obviously to live as long as they possibly can. I want to avoid any like health issues, and I want to feed them the best of the best food. And over the years of feeding my dogs dry kibble, I've honestly noticed just so many like little things that I feel like could be the cause of eating such a highly processed food. I mean, when you open a bag of kibble, it smells disgusting. So like, what the heck am I actually even feeding my dogs? And I feel like sometimes like the ingredient lists are really confusing and you don't even recognize the ingredients on there. And so I just didn't want to be feeding my dogs that. Harper used to have some skin allergy issues, and so I would have to take her to the vet and get like a $150 allergy shot every single like 3 to 4 weeks, but I didn't really see any changes. Literally 100% of those issues went away as soon as we switched to the Farmer's Dog. So I'm sold on this. I absolutely love it. So what I really like about the Farmer's Dog is that it's made fresh, so you can literally see what's in it. Like there's probably some broccoli in there, they have bits of chicken in there, you can see carrots, you can see, I don't know if this is maybe like spinach or kale, but you can see the ingredients in here. It smells like normal food. The Farmer's Dog food is all made fresh and it's delivered right to your door, which makes it super convenient. Another thing that I really like about it is that it's already pre-portioned for your dogs. So I really like that it's already nice and pre-portioned, so you don't have to worry about their serving size. Same with Harper. She has hers on here, and Harper just eats one of these bigger packs a day, so I just like to split it in half. So I'll just give her half for breakfast and then save the other half in my fridge for dinner. Are you guys excited for your dog food? Do you guys smell this? Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's so yummy. Okay, ready? Sit. Good puppy. Sit, Harper. Good girl. Okay. They both eat this up so fast. Genuinely, I've never seen them love any food at all this much. Harper's actually a really picky eater, so I have the hardest time getting her to eat anything. But the first time she tried this, she absolutely loved it and ate it all down in like 2 seconds. If you guys want to try out Farmer's Dog, you can actually use my link below to get 60% off your order. Highly, highly, highly recommend. I promise you, and especially your dogs, will absolutely love it. Just finished my coffee. I'm going to do a little skincare. I'm actually about to get ready to go to brunch with Megan. It's been like a week since we've seen each other, and we're those friends that see each other like every single week. So gonna go head out to breakfast with her. I think we're gonna get our nails done afterwards and then maybe do some shopping. We'll see what we get up to. I'm just putting on these gold under eye masks that I got from Amazon. These ones are my favorites that I use. I'll link them below if you guys want to go check them out. It feels so good though. I feel like there's nothing like a good under eye mask to just wake you up, make you feel alive again. While that's sitting on, I'm just gonna go in with some toner. I'm of course using my First Aid Beauty, what is this called? Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. I've used this stuff for so long. It's one of my favorite toners. I feel like so many toners, they just kind of like burn my skin or they just like dry my skin out. So I like that this one tones it, but it just leaves it nice and hydrated. For my sunscreen, since I am going to be putting on a little bit of makeup today, I'm just going to use my Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, and it does have SPF 30. So I'm just gonna put that on instead of like my other sunscreen. Love a good primer that also has sunscreen. It's like 2 steps in one. Love that for us. Okay, I'm gonna go get dressed. I'm gonna finish waiting for these to set in. I leave them on for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then Megan is actually coming here because we're driving together, and she should be here in like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go get ready and then I will show you guys what I'm wearing. Okay guys, just finished getting ready for lunch. If you guys hear whining in the background, that is these two playing over here. They have been absolutely crazy lately, but I just kept it pretty simple. I just put my hair in a little bun and then I just did some super natural makeup. I'll show you guys really quickly where my outfit is from. We're keeping it pretty casual today, so I just put on this cute little athleisure outfit. I'm wearing a white t-shirt that I just knotted. I'm wearing my favorite biker shorts from Forever 21, and then I'm wearing these cute little sunglasses that I got from Princess Polly. Actually, I'm doing a haul with them coming up, and I'm obsessed. I think these are so cute. And then this bag is from Zara. It's this cute little like nylon bag. Okay, Meg also just got here. Say hi. So we're gonna go ahead and head out to brunch. We're going to Pure Food and Juice, which they have like amazing smoothie bowls and juices. So gonna go get some brunch. Right now it's almost like 11 a.m. So definitely getting hungry. Looks so good. Okay, I just got the avocado toast and then I got a dragon fruit smoothie. Meg, what did you get? Did you get the quesadilla? And then she got the blue magic smoothie. Just finished breakfast and the craziest thing happened. So in the video clip that you guys just saw, like of the time lapse of us eating, there was guys walking by the window. They walked past the window and then they kind of looked at us and then they walked backwards and then came in. So we're like, oh my gosh, like this is gonna be annoying. And then they came down and sat down right next to us when pretty much the rest of like the area was completely empty. And then literally as we were leaving, Megan looked at me, she's like, Katie, that's Leonardo Dicaprio. And it literally was. We didn't want to like bother him or like go up and say hi or anything like that. It was obvious
he was trying to like keep a low profile.
Yeah, so I didn't want to be annoying.
He's known for dating girls in their 20s. Should we go get his number?
Anyways, so that's super crazy. I think he's here. Is it, what, a movie named like Stillwater?
I think
he's shooting Stillwater in Stillwater. Yeah. Anyway, so that was really crazy that we actually like ran into him. But right now I think we're gonna go get our nails done. We have a nail appointment at 1. So we're gonna go do that. And then after that, I think I'm gonna run to Trader Joe's. Just got done with the nail. I kept it super simple. I just got white shellac because I didn't want tips right now because I feel like I always like break them or they always like grow out and they're just like a pain to deal with. So kept it super simple. We're gonna go ahead and head over to Trader Joe's. Can you hold those, princess? Yeah. Thanks. Gotta get our stuff too. Oh! Not the flowers. Wait, my nails are sticking to them. See, this is like, this is a struggle. All right, guys, just got home, little Trader Joe's haul. We didn't get that much because it was super busy and a lot of the stuff that we needed, they were sold out of. But like you guys saw, I got some flowers. I got 2 things of hydrangeas. And then I also got some lilies, which will be really pretty. I really have been liking putting like fresh flowers in my house just because I feel like it makes the whole house smell so good. And then got these dressings. They're vegan and they look really good. So this one's the Green Goddess salad dressing. I'm really excited to try that if it focuses. There we go. So I got that one. And then I also found this one, which is a vegan Caesar dressing. And the ingredients look pretty good and it's pretty low calorie for a Caesar dressing. I don't know why this camera's not focusing today. Anyways, so those are the 2 dressings we got. And we picked up some more everything but the bagel seasoning. And then also some of this onion salt seasoning. And then the most exciting thing we got, Megan actually told me about these, but they're these vegan cookies and cream vanilla bean bonbons. And they look so good. We're gonna do a little taste test. I need to wash my hands first, actually. Good. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna be so excited. These look so good, and they're cookies and cream. I love cookies and cream.
They're super so good. And they're only like 110 calories for one.
10 out of 10 recommend. These are so freaking good. Oh my gosh, you are dropping chocolate all over my floor. I'm really excited to try this vegan dressing.
Tell me how it tastes.
It has white miso and capers in it. Well, because I like the Deo one, but A, it's kind of bad. And B, it's like so high fat and so high calories. So you put 1 tablespoon, it's like 200 calories, which is like way too much.
Yeah, the serving size doesn't give you any dressing for your salad. They give a dry salad.
Right, exactly. I need to put these flowers in some water before they start browning. Flowers are all nice and cut, and I just put them in a clear little vase. I love the way that white flowers look in houses. I feel like it really just opens up the space, makes everything just look more put together. And these ones are actually really good. I feel like typically they have like a lot of brown spots on them, but these ones look so good from Trader Joe's today. So perfect way to start off the week with some fresh flowers. All right, you guys, it's a little bit later. Megan headed home, and right now I'm just sitting on my couch relaxing. And then tonight I'm actually going out to dinner with some friends as well. So definitely a busy like social day. Typically it's not that busy, but right now I'm just relaxing. It's 5:17 and I have to probably start getting ready for dinner here maybe at like 5:45ish. I don't know what I'm wearing. I feel like I might just keep my hair like this honestly because I don't want to like actually shower and wash my hair and fully blow dry it. That sounds like a lot of work. So don't know what I'm gonna wear yet, but right now I'm just gonna relax. I might put on some Netflix. I need to drink some water because I haven't had like any water today, and I definitely have been falling behind on that, and I've noticed such a difference in the way I feel. Also, in case anyone has been wondering what these two, well, Harper's asleep in my office, but what the dogs have been up to, it's actually like we're under an excessive heat warning right now. So it's like over 100 degrees. So obviously I'm not gonna take the dogs like out on a walk. It's way too hot for them. So they have just been getting in lots and lots of naps. I feel so bad because I know that they are bored and want to go play. Luckily, it should drop back down into the low 90s, high 80s tomorrow, I think, or tomorrow or the next day. So anyways, they have just been chilling and getting lots of rest. Also just got in this little PR package from Living Proof, and it's just their dry shampoo, and it's actually perfect timing because I'm totally out of my dry shampoo and I definitely need to put some in my hair. So thank you so much, Living Proof. I absolutely love their products and I'm really excited. I don't know if I've tried their dry shampoo actually. I don't think I have. I used their anti-frizz spray and I've used a bunch of other stuff, but I don't know if I've actually tried their dry shampoo. So super pumped for that. And then this brand Art and Acre also sent me over a little PR package. They sent over some hair products. So I have a little like hair cleanse, so like a shampoo, a scalp detox, and then some conditioner. It's all like cold processed hair products, which I'm very interested and don't really know a lot about, but very excited to try. So thank you so much, Art and Acre. The next PR package I got is actually from Way, and if you guys have watched my videos for a while, you guys know I am obsessed with them, and they actually recently launched some fragrances, and I've heard such amazing things about these, so huge shout out to Way for sending. Okay, and the last PR package I just unboxed is this adorable little one from Laura Mercier. Look at this freaking little bag and the little scarf with the details. They have the cutest PR packages and I'm always obsessed. So thank you so much, Laura Mercier, for always spoiling me and sending me literally the cutest stuff. So I think they said it's National Lipstick Month, so they sent a ton of little lipsticks. So can't wait to try those. And again, thank you so much, Laura Mercier. I am just getting ready for dinner. You guys, my tripod is in the other room, and so I have you guys bouncing on a light bulb box and then a jewelry box and then my winged wellness gummies, so it's a little shaky. Hopefully you guys don't fall. I really should just go get my tripod, but I don't really feel like it because I'm being lazy right now. Okay, so pretty much all I'm doing is just a little touch up. I might add a little bit more. Wow, my mascara is really smearing. I'm just gonna do a few little touch ups. Where's my concealer? It's so nice to pretty much already have my makeup done, and I don't actually have to like fully do my makeup, because I feel like most of the times when I'm actually about to like go out, I don't have any makeup on and I haven't all day. So it's nice to actually kind of like already have most of my makeup done and I just have to like touch it up. So that is nice. I really need to get my eyebrows done. I typically always do my eyebrows, but I feel like they're just not like, I don't know. I just don't love them right now, and I don't know. They're not growing. They used to be super thick, and so I used to not even have to really do a lot to them, just kind of shape them. But now I feel like they're thinning out as I get older, and I don't know why that is. But I definitely feel like I need to like go get them done or something, because they're a little out of control. Does anyone else, when they're like refreshing their makeup, just kind of like go back over it with a brush with nothing really on it, just to kind of like blend it and smooth it back out? I feel like that is like just such a lazy girl move right there, but I mean, if it works, why not? So for dinner, we're actually all going to a taco place that I've never been to. It's called Tacos for Life. I know that they have some good like vegan options. I know they have like tofu tacos and everything like that, so I'm very excited to try it. Cannot wait. I love a good taco. I've actually been making a lot of tacos this week. I made these, they're like buffalo tempeh tacos, and they're kind of inspired by the ones that we had in Miami. If you guys watched my Miami vlog, they're so good. So I've been making those a lot this week, so it's definitely been like a good taco week, but I'm excited to try these ones. One thing I definitely miss about like being in Miami or being in a bigger city, if you guys don't know, I live in Oklahoma, so there's like cows here. Honestly, not a lot to do. People will say that there's things to do, and I don't know what they're talking about because there really isn't. But all of my family and friends live here, so that's why I live here for the time being. But yeah, there's not really a lot to do here, and veganism is like, it's slowly getting better here. There's literally only like 2 or 3 vegan restaurants, so there's definitely not like a big selection. So it really just makes me miss being in like Miami or New York or somewhere that has like a ton of vegan options. Like there's nothing better than good vegan food. So I'm excited to one day move somewhere that has all of the delicious vegan food in the world. Is it bad to move somewhere just for the food? I mean, I feel like I would do it. Okay, I'm keeping my hair the same. I'm just going to kind of touch it up a little bit. I feel like I have so many like pieces that are flying away. I really don't know how girls do these buns and like have them look so good. Like mine, I feel like is kind of honestly like all over the place, but I typically do like low buns because I feel like those are just so much easier to do, but these look so cute. So anyways, okay, for all of my buns and like anything I need to use to like slick back my hair, I actually got this little beard brush off Amazon, and it works so well to like slick back anything you need slicked back. All right, let's hairspray this ish. Okay, I don't think anything will be moving for the next 25 years. Okay, just finished getting ready for dinner. Kept my hair and makeup pretty much the exact same, just touched up a little bit and added some more concealer, but I'll show you guys my outfit. Okay, ignore my mess of a desk. I definitely didn't clean up after myself, but I kept all of my jewelry the same. I'm just wearing this little necklace that's actually from H&M. I feel like H&M has the best little staple gold pieces. They're super affordable. Like I think this was like $5.99. And then I'm wearing a little like satin silky shirt. I think this is from Misguided or Nasty Gal. I'll try to find it and link it for you guys. And then the shorts that I'm wearing are also from H&M. Tucked it in on one side. And then for my shoes, I'm just wearing these cute little like ruffled ones from, I think these are from Boohoo. And then my little shoulder bag is from Forever 21. I really like it because you can take off the little straps and just make it a little clutch if you need to. So that is my little outfit of the night. I'm gonna go ahead and head out to dinner. I probably won't vlog that much at dinner because these are newer friends and I'm not just trying to like shove cameras in people's faces. A lot of people here don't like that. I've never run into one other person in my many years of living in Tulsa that's walking around with a camera or vlogging or anything like that. So that's just like not a typical thing here. So if I don't ever vlog like with my family or with other friends, stuff like that, that's why, because it's just not like a typical thing here and it's like rude to do that. So anyways, but I'm gonna go ahead and head out. I'll try to at least get like a little video clip of like the food or something like that. Alright guys, just got home and then took a shower because I had so much freaking hairspray in my hair. I was like, I have to wash my hair. So just got out of the shower. It was seriously so much fun getting to go out to dinner with everyone. Right now it is 10:54. I've really been trying to be good about being in bed by 10 so that I could actually like start getting up earlier because I'm really bad about going to bed late and then I don't wake up until like 9:30, which for me just makes me feel like, I don't know, unorganized, unproductive, and lazy. But it's the weekend, so I don't really care as much on the weekends. Wow, my hair is getting so dark, you guys. I really need to go back. I have an appointment booked in, her earliest appointment, my hairdresser's, is not until like mid-October. So I booked it, but wow, these roots are like really grown out. But on the bright side, my hair is growing a ton. I'm telling you guys, Bondi Boost, it works so well. Okay, time for skincare. Also, if you guys have any videos, like I always ask on my Instagram, so if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you totally should, so that you guys can like vote on what videos you want to see and like submit Q&A questions, all that type of good stuff, because I will always ask those on my Instagram stories. But if there are any videos or requests that you guys have for August or September, like starting to come up in the fall, let me know what video requests you guys have. Most of my videos that I make are based off of requests, so if you guys have any, let me know. I always get so many requests for like just vlogs and Sunday reset routines and more what I eat, so I feel like I repeat like a ton of the same content, but that's really like what I always get asked for. So as long as you guys are happy, I am happy. But if there's anything that I am not making, let me know. I'm using my Curology. Oh, before I actually put it on there, I need to put a pimple patch on. If you have never tried these, like you guys literally need them. This is like my 4th or 5th box of them. Basically, they're these little like skin colored, you can't even see it, but they're these little like skin colored patches, like pimple patches, and they suck out all of the gunk. Just wear them overnight. You can put them anywhere on your body and it just like sucks all the gunk out. So I absolutely love them. And then the last thing before bed is I'm gonna take my Winged Wellness. These are the Sleepyhead Sleep and Stress Gummies. They're made with passion flower, melatonin, L-theanine, and 5-HTP. I swear when I take these, I have the best sleep of my life, and they taste delicious. They're vegan. Just the best thing ever. I absolutely love Winged Wellness. Alright you guys, that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my future videos because I'm going to be posting a lot more videos like this. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.